Alright friends, we have come to the data hiding in Java programming. So what is data hiding? Data hiding means keeping the internal details of a class private. They cannot be accessed directly from outside the class. I mean, if we keep using encapsulation when we write our code, we already apply data hiding. So what is that? As you see, in our previous example, I used language class. So I define a private class property inside the class. So let's check I can access this class property outside the class. I come here, I'm creating an object. So let's try accessing this. I come here, I say lang, I put my notation. So what's my property name? Is name. So lang.name equals to something, for example John. Can I do that? No. You see, the field language.name is not visible. I cannot access outside the class. So that's data hiding. We protect the class's data by hiding it using the private keyword. If I change it from private to public, I can access it. But the professional usage is we should use private inside these classes. So what are the benefits of data hiding? We keep data safe and secure. So we encourage the use of methods to control access, and we support modular, maintainable code. Alright, I hope you understand it.